In the future, people can travel from Abu Dhabi to Dubai in 50 minutes on Etihad Rail's passenger trains. Join us as we go on board this inspection train to get a glimpse of what the passenger journey from Abu Dhabi to Dubai will look like. This is the main line of the National Railway network, which aims to connect 11 cities in the UAE from Silla near the Saudi Arabian border to Fujairah on the east coast. We started from Shuaib in Abu Dhabi and are heading towards Dubai. We cross several culverts and bridges on the way and see workers leveling the ground and laying tracks. We see Dubai Industrial City and Al Maktoum Airport and reach the back of the site of Expo 2020 Dubai at the crossing of Jebel Ali and Habab Road.
This is a bridge you're standing on today, crossing one of the major highways in Dubai. It has been built and ultimately the tracks were laid and soon you will see trains running on those tracks.
The trains will offer a variety of seating segment. They'll be equipped with modern amenities including Wi-Fi, infotainment systems, charging stations, food and beverage services, ample legroom and an advanced air conditioning system. Smart applications will be developed to allow passengers to plan and book trips.
The journeys on this network will be very beautiful, where you pass through deserts, mountains, you get closer to cities, developments, highways, where you could see all the buildings and the movement of people around you. It's fascinating.
Traveling from Abu Dhabi to Dubai by bus can take up to 120 minutes or up to 70 minutes by car, while it'll take only 50 minutes by train. At a speed of 200 kilometers per hour, passengers can travel from Abu Dhabi to Fujairah in 1 hour and 40 minutes and from Dubai to Fujairah in only 50 minutes. Each train can carry about 400 passengers. By 2030, the number of passengers is expected to reach more than 36.5 million annually. The trains will cater to all people from different backgrounds as well as families, employees, businessmen and tourists.
In a train you could read a book, you could finish some work, you could be with your family and enjoy that time of the journey until you get to your destination without being bothered by traffic on the road or focusing on driving for long distances.
The rail network will extend about 1,200 kilometers across the country and carry both passengers and freight. About 70% of the UAE's railway network has been completed as of December.